So this one we'll be talking about marketing, the marketing tab. So upon entering in onto the dashboard on the left-hand side of your screen for the menu items, we're going to look for marketing. We're going to click on marketing, and then you'll have the social planner highlighted, and we're going to connect our social media accounts. So let's start with two as they recommended. If you only have one, that's fine as well too. You'll still see at least the connection for setting up the Facebook um, connection and the Instagram. Now, in a previous video, for connecting your integration for your social media, there you should have connected your Facebook and or your Instagram there already. So once we click on here, you'll see that it's already been activated. We just need to finish out the connection piece. All right, so here we're going to start with Facebook since it's listed first. And then you'll see the list of Facebook accounts that we want to add into our social planner. So we're going to click on our business page, which was Digital Transactions Solutions. And once we click add, it now will read with a check mark, a green check mark that says connected in green. So that one is connected. We are going to, excuse me, hit the X. And then if you want to connect your Instagram, I have an Instagram as well too. And you will hit the connect Instagram button here. Here it says add the Instagram business or creator account. Your Instagram business or creator profiles have to be connected to Facebook pages. Previously, mine was already connected with Instagram Facebook page. I'm sorry, with my Facebook page. My Instagram was connected with my Facebook page. That will be step one. So this says we'll find the Instagram business or creator profiles that are connected to your Facebook pages. Otherwise, please go to Facebook page, settings, and Instagram to link it within Facebook. So you have to make sure that you log into Facebook, go to your Facebook page, and then go to the settings link, and then you'll hit Instagram to make sure that you link it. And then you'll select the Instagram business or creator profiles to add to the lead connector. So let's go ahead and click the login to Facebook page. Here we should already be logged in, so this page will populate that says lead connector is requesting access to, and then we're going to hit continue as your name. We're going to click on the account, the business account that we want to connect it to. And then we're going to click add because we're looking for our company name. We're going to click add. And then once again, the green check mark with the green lettering of connected will appear once it's been added correctly. And then you'll hit the X to close it out. And now you'll see that your Facebook page and your Instagram pages have been added. Now, if you want to get started with planning out your social post, you'll click on get started because that will be step 2. And then it'll bring you to the social planner page with your social accounts linked to it. And then here is where you will start your posting. And another video will be created to show you how to create your post.